Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Nigerian pap known as Akamu without having lumps. So the first thing to do is you get your bowl. I want to mix the pap in, then you set your water on fire. As you can see, this is my water, it's on fire and it's boiling, it's on the gas. Then this is my bowl, so I get the pap and I'll mix it into a paste, then come back and show you how it is. So friends, this is my pap. See as it is. I want to add water now, but I thought to show you how it is. It's still fresh, so I'm going to add water to mix it. So friends, see how I'm mixing it. You see, you make sure that it's very smooth. You can see I'll mix it very well. So I'll come back and show you. So friends, look at the mixture. Look at it. You can see this is the mixture. So I'm waiting for my water to boil before I make the pap. So friends, my water is boiling. You're not going to use the spoon while pouring the water. Look at it. Okay. So you pour the water in a circular form. Can you see? Can you see it? Looking at it. You can see that it's forming. You see? Got it. Then you can now use your spoon. See friends. Very smooth. It's very smooth. Got it. Got the pap. Can you see? Can you see? Very smooth. No lumps. You can see. It's after I've poured the water that I started stirring. I didn't stir while pouring the water. Guys, see. See friends. See the pap. Okay, so you can try this at home and show me your results. You can tag me. Then see, I'm going to serve it now. You can add your sugar, your milk, and you take it. Very nice, and it's very healthy. See. So please, for more videos, for more educative videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and like. Thank you friends.